How do you design a cohort-based course? Here's the direct answer. A strong cohort course follows a three-phase arc: foundation in weeks 1 and 2, core concepts and group bonding, application in the middle weeks, hands-on practice with peer feedback, integration in the final weeks, capstone projects and reflection. Most successful cohorts run 4 to 8 weeks. Start your first cohort with 8 to 15 students. The live-async ratio that works is roughly 70% self-paced content, 30% live interaction. Students review lessons on their own schedule during the week, then come together for a live session focused on discussion, feedback, and group work. Live time goes to high-value interaction, not content delivery. The structure pays off. Our platform data across 32,000 courses shows scheduled cohort courses average 64.2% completion versus 48.2% for open access self-paced. For week-by-week structure, the activities that drive completion, and how to scale beyond your first cohort, links in the description.